Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to connect your WooCommerce store to Google Analytics for free. First, you'll need a free plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click Plugins, then Add New. Search for Monster Insights, install it, and click Activate. After activation, a setup wizard will launch. Click Launch the wizard, you'll be prompted to connect your Google account. Click Connect Monster Insights and log into the Google account where your analytics property is set up. The wizard will then guide you to select your website profile from Google Analytics. Choose the correct one and continue through the steps. Monster Insights will automatically configure the essential e-commerce tracking settings for you. Once connected, go to the Monster Insights settings in your WordPress menu. Click on the e-commerce tab and ensure the toggle for Use Enhanced e-commerce is switched on. This tracks key data like conversions, revenue, and products sold. Finally, to verify it's working, go to your website and make a test purchase. Then, check your Google Analytics account under Real Time. Conversions to see if the purchase activity is being recorded. And that's it. You've installed the plugin, connected your analytics account, enabled e-commerce tracking, and verified the data is flowing. If this helped you track your store's performance, please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.